Hello, my name is Summer. I'm a certified nature and forest therapy guide. In this bio, I'd like to explain a bit more about my background so you know who I am. I was born and raised in the swamp, surrounded by cypress trees, where I listened and interacted with the forest around me. When I became deaf at age 3, that didn't hinder my ability to listen, connect, and understand nature. In college, I studied Expressive Art Therapy. As I became immersed in deaf culture and deaf identity, I decided to pursue a master's degree in deaf cultural studies. I became a teacher of the deaf and taught ASL, Spanish, deaf culture, and deaf studies. This led me to the world of online teaching and filmmaking. I was engrossed in the digital world until my life changed as a result of increased anxiety. After taking the time to examine what was going on inside of me, I found nature's call. I responded to the call and found forest bathing and forest therapy. I found it so helpful that I decided to study this method and become certified in it. This was what I wanted to do with my life, to help people who've become disconnected reconnect with nature. I've been through my own struggles with anxiety, depression, and mental health situations. This understanding of the human experience, paired with the strong relationship I have with nature that I've had since childhood, have made being a nature and forest therapy guide a great match for me. Please understand that I am not a certified mental health professional or a therapist. The real therapist is out there. It's in nature. As a guide, I simply open the doors. Come on, walk in the woods with me.